Good morning, guys. Real quick. Hey, y'all working on 96 Mustang by any chance? 4.6. The V6, whatever it is, 3 point something, 3.0, I think. Hey, if y'all put a clutch in this car, man, and it don't, well, let me go over a couple things first. We put a clutch in this car. We had to throw our bearing rattling, so we said we're gonna put the high performance in there. Well, when we put the high performance in there, the bolts didn't line up. So instead of going to get the bolts, we're gonna take this motor out and upgrade it later anyway. So so what we did, we put the regular AutoZone stock clutch plate assembly in, and that's the part number from AutoZone if y'all need it. We went in, we dropped the transmission, we put the pressure plate and the clutch in, and we put it back together. And notoriously, we end up getting the same situation that a lot of people getting, but I don't know if these people getting the right information out there. They're getting stuck just like we did. So we gave up on it last night. We tapped out, man. That was a lot of work. But anyway, we got it in there. Everything looked good. We crank it up to go put it in gear, and it wouldn't go in gear, right? I was able to get reverse, I guess because it's out to itself on its own, gearing setup. So I was able to get reverse. I was able to put it in first gear with the car off, press the clutch, crank it up. You would get tire spin, but you would never get the wheels to move, right? You would never be able to change gears also, right? So I got the feeling around, messing with the cable, because I saw a lot of stuff about cable adjustment, right? So I said, well, I look, mine don't have a cable adjustment right there, like a lot of you guys, okay? Let me get my screen back on. Right there. A lot of y'all got that turn situation. This one don't turn. Look at it. It don't turn. Guess what? It's self-adjusting. But if you don't know how to self-adjust it, you stuck. So guess what? I got down on that pedal, got the feeling around like, how do you adjust this joint? So I pushed the pedal in like you would do some brakes, right? Pumping them brakes up, trying to get the pedal back hard. No go. Miraculously, I pulled the freaking pedal and it clicked. And I said, hold up, why did this pedal click? Y'all know the rest of the story. I got back in, pressed it, and even when the car off, it went back in gear even better. I'm like, hold up, it wasn't going in gear that easy. So boom, I jump in, crank it up, I got gears. So we're gonna demonstrate that now. You really won't see it other than the tire spin. My son gonna get in there now and crank it up. Yep, shift like butter. Excuse the garage too. Let me show them the tire spin. Tires are rolling. Shift it to second. Yes, sir. How you love that? Alright. How you love that? Man, boy, hey, y'all better start praying. Cause I sure did. Now, I was looking online, trying to figure it out. And everybody talking about, oh, you clutch this backwards. Bruh, ain't no damn clutch this backwards. Ain't nobody that's going to tackle no clutch, going to put that disc in backwards. If they any kind of incline, you see how the old one came out. The new one go in the same way. And even if you turn it backwards, the flywheel bolts are touching almost, well, they so close that you know it ain't right. The flywheel bolts are right there. And if you look at if you got the original clutch like we did, which did look good for this car's age, unless somebody went to Ford and bought that clutch disc. That was the original clutch disc, and that's the one I just showed you. Plenty meat on it. But that wasn't the issue. We had a throwout bearing issue, plus the pilot bearing bearings, the little bearings inside the pilot bearing, they were like obliterated. So it was good we went in there anyway to do that too. So that the squeaky sound gone, got a new clutch in. We went on and changed the clutch because, like I said, the old disc was good, but man, that's crazy. I'm still tired from yesterday. But we got it shifting. That's what we needed. We want to drive this car, get it back on the road. So that's one project down amongst many. I got to come back and put a notorious engine in that. It run, but my wife was driving it one day and it started knocking. So it ain't too bad. It's like a small knock, but I don't want to keep, trying to drive it and that piston fly through the oil pan. Anybody had that done. But yeah, one more project down on the Mustang. Of course, we're going to sand it down one day, get it painted, but we're going to get the thing running real good first. And go from there. Look what my Corvette had to sit at. You know I'm hot about that. That's his home right there. So it's all good. A little water won't hurt, because if you're driving to a car show in the rain, you felt the same way. So yeah, see out there in the rain. And then we'll jump back on the SS next week. We're going to paint that bumper and trunk on that and see if we can get her back on the road. But anyway, guys, I wanted to come let y'all know, man, don't pull your hair out. I'm going to try to label this video so it'll pop up when somebody get to it. Hey, man, I'm just trying to help. I ain't trying to know it all, none of that. So in the comments, you can put what you want, but hell, I might not read it anyway. So, I'm just trying to help. So with that being said, man, God bless. Y'all keep praying, man, because that's what I had to do to fix this car. But anyway, we out, man. To the next one.